Bear the storms of time with the responsibility. Sound the strong voice of the times with the original aspiration. Bravely stand at the forefront of the times with the mission. Write a new chapter in the national industry, carrying the dream of becoming a manufacturing power. Liaoning Huayuan Heavy Equipment Company Limited is a large-scale equipment manufacturer that integrates sales, design, manufacturing, installation, and service. We mainly produces products such as bridges, gantry cranes, ports, railway loading and unloading machinery, mechanical parking systems, steel bridges, and steel structures. Our leading products have been widely used in national economic pillar industries including metallurgy, energy, electricity, petrochemicals, railways, and aviation. The company strictly implements the Enterprise Standard Management System and has successively passed the Energy Management System Certification, EUCE certification, and EAC certification of Russian Customs Union. The company has won over 100 honorary titles, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, National AAA-rated Credit Enterprise, National Quality Benchmark Enterprise, Liaoning Province Gazelle Enterprise, Liaoning Province Specialized, Refined, Special, and New Enterprise, and Liaoning Province Green Factory. Huayuan closely follows the national strategic footsteps, fully utilizes our developed transport network, and leverages its location advantage as the eastern bridgehead of the Eurasian economic sector to establish strategic partnerships with multiple well-known domestic and foreign enterprises. Led by building a benchmark enterprise in the manufacturing industry in northern China, the company fully implements 6S lean management, focusing on improving new quality productivity to build a new situation of high-quality development for the enterprise. Talents are the most valuable resources. The company fully implements a talent incentive mechanism, provides equity rewards to outstanding technical and management teams, and cultivates a group of technology research and development teams with both ability and political integrity, strong innovation ability, and high-degree specialization, oriented by the innovative integration of technology, process, and production. The company will continue to make efforts in customization, greening, networking, and intelligence. All forces can make a great success after combining. With the relentless spirit of innovation and outstanding scientific research capabilities, Huayuan continuously breaks through industry technological bottlenecks, bringing customers high-quality and efficient technological innovation experiences in 4 directions: intelligent control systems, energy-saving and environmentally friendly design, high-performance material application, and humanized design. The company has introduced various advanced manufacturing equipment such as pre-processing production lines for plate and profiles, high-power plate and profile CNC laser cutting machines, large floor-mounted CNC boring and milling machines, automated machining centers, welding robot workstations, and automatic spraying assembly lines. All manufacturing processes have reached the leading level in the domestic industry. We have achieved the full chain production, which can meet the needs of large-scale, customized production. Product manufacturing controls quality inspection nodes throughout the entire chain from the source to the X-factory, realizing standardized, data-driven, and systematic management of product inspection, and making quality hazards nowhere to hide. Depending on its strong technical foundation and professional team, Huayuan continues to develop in multiple related industries, with products covering over 100 categories in 9 series. The main crane products include universal bridges, gantry cranes, new Chinese-style cranes, light and small cranes, etc., which can meet the customer demands in different industries, environments, and working conditions. Led by green energy conservation, lightweight, and intelligence, the new Chinese-style series are produced by introducing advanced European design concepts and combining with the latest domestic industry standards to achieve alignment with EU standards. Huayuan is committed to building a one-stop service platform for production and sales, providing customers with the most worry-free and high-quality services. The company has become a high-quality supplier to well-known domestic and foreign enterprises, such as Steel Group, FAW Group, China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, and China Railway Construction Group. Engaged in multiple major national engineering projects, Huayuan adheres to its original aspiration, takes on its mission, walks in the new era, closely follows the pace of national development, and strides forward in the new journey of building a strong country and national rejuvenation with a high-spirited and enterprising spirit. Our leading products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions, including Mexico, Indonesia, the United Arab Emirates, Madagascar, Singapore, Malaysia, Moldova, Saudi Arabia, Kenya, Vietnam, the Philippines, Russia, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Nepal, and many others. For a new journey, Huayuan will continue to uphold the new development concept of green, innovative, intelligent, and efficient, continuously strengthen our core competitiveness in research and development, intelligent manufacturing, and services, and continuously optimize our marketing service system. We produce world-class products and achieve national dreams. In the new era, Huayuan is steadily advancing towards cultivating craftsmen of great powers and forging heavy weapons of great powers. Even mountains and seas cannot hinder people with common aspirations. Once we made a deal, we will be friends forever. Liaoning Huayuan Heavy Equipment Company Limited is willing to witness the brilliant tomorrow of China's heavy equipment manufacturing together with you.